Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel ARK Travelogue. In today's video, I will be showing you the gorgeous waterfall called Sita Falls. It is a waterfall located in Ranchi district of Jharkhand. The Sita Falls is a part of Kanchi river, which is a tributary of the Radu river falling from a height of 44 meters approximately.
The beautiful Sita Fall, just 45 kilometers away from Ranchi, situated in Jharkhand, of Radu river. And this is the way from where we come down to see this, the beautiful natural beauty. And this is the downstream of Sita Waterfalls and the Sita Falls. You can see the huge boulders as well.
It is located at a distance of 45 kilometers east of Ranchi in Ranchi-Puralia Road, which is part of NH. Many believe that the falls, due to their mesmerizing beauty, are named after Sita of Ramayana, also known for her surreal beauty. It is a sparsely visited place by tourists, hence a great option for those looking for some peace and relaxation. Sita Falls is slightly unknown waterfalls situated a little on the outskirts of Ranchi. The waterfalls originates from River Kanchi amidst gorgeous green landscape and dense woods. The mesmerizing waterfalls are a treat to watch and are popular for trekking as well as adventurous enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed watching the short video. I'll be coming up with lot more interesting videos. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The details are mentioned in the description window as well as at the end screen. I request everyone to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more video updates, and also please like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.